Hello, everybody. Same place. Here, enjoying the waterfalls again. Well, don't know how to describe this day, but I guess today is such a beautiful day. Not just beautiful, but amazing is the word for today. That's all I can describe about this day. Amazing. And speaking of amazing, when anyone ever tell you that you're having an amazing day, just take it as a good word. Not only take it as a good word, but take it as encouragement. Everybody wants to see you do things the right way, have an amazing day, and more importantly, not let anybody ever bring you down when it comes to the word amazing. Just like this waterfall right here. This is amazing. Every day you see this, you hear it. It's just amazing. So that's just a word of encouragement. I like to use the word amazing. So I hope everyone has an amazing day. And stay positive and don't let anybody bring you down. Keep having an amazing day. And hopefully you enjoy. See you.